Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Wednesday, the 8th of April. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. It's going to be a short one. Pretty straightforward forecast here. Sunny skies right into the weekend. Now, the difference comes with daily high temperatures. High pressure in control. Good chance to get out and get the yards picked up, start to clean up, start to prepare the gardens, all of that stuff. This is a good week to do it. Some of those beds, if you have leaves on them that can hold off taking the leaves off, leave them because there's probably some beneficial insects that are still wintering over underneath there. You want to wait just a little longer for those. But vegetable gardens and things like that, it's time to get planting. Sunshine today into the mid 40s, tonight back to the 20s. Tomorrow we're in the 60s. Actually, tomorrow we're in the 50s. Then we're in the 60s for Friday. And then we're near 60 on Saturday and about 60 to 65 on Sunday, all with sunshine. So again, let's review it. 40s, 50s, 60s, near 60, low 60s. That's the next 5 days. Mainly sunny, mainly dry. Pretty easy. Have a great day, everybody.